Good afternoon, everybody. This is First Warn Storm Team Chief Meteorologist Brad Panovich. You're looking at the current satellite and radar composite here looping for the past couple of hours. The first thing you notice here is we've got an upper level low sitting back here. It looks to me to be roughly in east central Tennessee. We've had a couple bands of heavy rain move through this morning. But on the backside of this heavy rain, we're getting a few breaks. And what's going to happen is we go through the afternoon. It's not going to take a lot of sunshine or even much heating because there's a lot of cold air aloft associated with this upper low. We're going to see a lot of showers and even some thunder showers fill in on the backside. You're going to see some new ones developing back to the west, and it's not going to take much sunshine. If you see a break of sunshine or two, that just means more showers and thunderstorms are going to develop this afternoon. This is a look at that CAPE, or that thunderstorm fuel. You can see pretty much everywhere across the southeast, we've got anywhere from 1,000 to a couple thousand joules per kilogram of CAPE, which means a lot of fuel for thunderstorms. Now, these are going to be severe. There could be a couple strong ones if we see some of this sunshine stick out maybe just a little bit longer. But I actually think the primary threat is going to be likely some small hail and some gusty winds, and of course the flash flooding. When you look at the temperatures aloft, this is a 700 millibar temperature. So this cold pocket up here that might rotate through later, that could help enhance some of the hail producing from these. When we look at the vorticity, there's a little piece of vorticity that's going to wrap around here as well. That'll help enhance some of the storm chances this afternoon. When we look at the radar, this is a close-in view. Here's what I'm talking about. This was the first batch that just moved through. There was some thunder and lightning with it, but it's just a slow-moving system. But back in here, you can see over the upstate of South Carolina, northeast Georgia, and the mountains, we're beginning to see new showers develop. And if I loop this, you'll see how they're really developing pretty quickly, especially down here south of Anderson near Greenwood. And if we see a couple of these lines set up and train over the same areas like we saw this morning up here in parts of Catawba, Lincoln, Alexander, and Iredell County, flash flooding could be a big concern because some areas up in here have seen anywhere from 1 to 3 inches of rain already. So flash flooding will definitely be the big concern this afternoon. We desperately need the rain. It just, if it comes down too quickly, we could see some flash flooding. So again, rain is going to be in the forecast throughout the afternoon. Things will get a little bit better tomorrow, but until this upper low rotates out of here, the chance for a scattered thunderstorm is going to be with us. The only good news about this afternoon, there won't be as much rain. There'll be some breaks in between, but when you do get rain, it's going to be a heavy downpour. Of course, I've got you covered online on Facebook, Twitter, wxbrad on Twitter, Google+, WCNC.com, and of course, you can catch me on the air starting today at 4, 5, 6, and 11 on News Channel 36. See you then.